The moon always goes around the Earth with the same face towards the Earth. In other words, the moon rotates exactly 360 degrees when it orbits exactly one circle around the Earth. This phenomenon has not always been explained in a plausible way either. However, it cannot be a coincidence. As explained in the video The Power of the Gravitational Field, Real Physics, number 9, in order for a body to be able to rotate in the gravitational field of another, it must have a rotational force that is 2/pi times greater than that of the gravitational field. From this principle, this strange rotation of the moon can be easily explained. As with all bodies in the solar system, the rotational force of the moon is equal to the original acceleration of the solar system and is, as estimated, approximate 4.8 times 10 to the power of -3. And the moon is in two gravitational fields, one of the Earth and one of the Sun, which it has to overcome. The weakest gravitational field on Earth is about 2.4 times 10 to the power of -3. And the weakest solar gravity field to the moon is about 5.9 times 10 to the power of -3. In order to be able to rotate in these two gravitational fields, the moon must have at least the following rotational force. So the moon, with its own rotational force of 4.8 times 10 to the power of -3, is unable to spin in the two gravitational fields, but it can spin in each one. Therefore we must first look at how a body rotates in two gravitational fields. As illustrated in the figure, the Earth has moved around the Sun from position A1 to A2 and the Moon has moved from B1 to B2. The direction of the Moon's axis has not changed in the Sun-Moon-Earth position and the Moon has not rotated with respect to the gravitational fields of the two. That's why he didn't need any rotational force. However, if the Moon went around the Earth from B1 to B3 and its axis direction to the Earth did not change, it did not rotate in the Earth's gravitational field, but in that of the Sun. This is the actual position of the Moon. This means that he has overcome the Sun's gravitational field, but in doing so has used up quite a bit of power, of which a residual force remains in the following amount. With this residual force, it is no longer able to break the Earth's gravitational field. So he's being stopped at the Earth's gravitational field like a bump stopper. This is the real reason why the Moon always shows its same face to the Earth, a so-called captured rotation. Because otherwise it is not possible to break through the Earth's gravitational field without overcoming the Sun's gravitational field. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.